What's up, guys? We're back with Huddle on the Hilltop. I'm your host, Mikey Deterando.
And I'm Charlotte Constantine. Hope you guys had a great summer. We're so excited to be back. Another year of Huddle on the Hilltop. This week is actually homecoming week for our Hilltoppers, so campus is filled with fun. We have Spirit Week going on, and all fall sports are playing home this weekend.
To kick off the podcast, we're going to go hunt down and interview all of our fall sports captains and see how they're feeling about the week.
Let's see what they have to say.
What's up, Hilltoppers? We're here with our very own Chaz, the quarterback and captain of our football team. Chaz, how you feeling about this weekend's game?
I feel great coming off a sad loss, St. Paul's. We're definitely going to come back even stronger and can't wait.
Good stuff, good stuff. Now we need to know, what's your pregame superstition, you or the team?
Personally, this is a superstition that started in 7th grade. I can't start a game without eating a banana and I'm uncrustable for a game.
Wow, that's awfully childish, but I like it, man. I like it.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, come support our boys at Polar Park this Sunday at 12 o'clock. Be there. Blackout theme.
What's up, Hilltoppers? We're here with Claire Puffer, our very own girls varsity volleyball captain. How are you feeling about your upcoming homecoming game, Claire?
I'm feeling great. It's a doubleheader coming up. I'm super excited. We're going to do great.
And then last thing, favorite game day hairstyle?
Gotta go with the braided ponytail.
You heard it, folks. Be here and be loud for our girls varsity volleyball team. Let's go.
What's up, Hilltoppers? We're here with Dean Linden, the goalie of our boys varsity soccer team. Dean, how you feeling about this big homecoming weekend?
I'm amped. Boys soccer, girls soccer, and football. Couldn't be better.
It really can't. It really can't. And so we just want to know, us students, what's your favorite pregame ritual, you and the guys over at the boys soccer team?
For me personally, I call my brother before every game, which is a pretty nice thing that we do. But, we just kind of get amped in the locker room, get it together, and then we do game time before everything. It's kind of like a little chant with our team.
That's amazing. That's amazing. Everyone come to the boys soccer game. Come support our guy, Dean, and the rest of the boys. Thank you, Dean.
What's up, Hilltoppers? We're here with Kylie Beers, captain of our girls field hockey team. So, Kylie, question. How are you feeling about your upcoming homecoming game?
I'm feeling very confident. I think as a team we can get many points up on the board and hopefully come out with a win.
Perfect. Okay, and one last thing. What's your go-to snack before a game?
I'd have to say either a banana or an apple, but definitely a piece of fruit in general.
Great choice, great choice. Make sure you come out this weekend and support our girls field hockey team and help them win. Let's go.
You heard it here, folks. Campus is going to be packed this weekend, so come out and bring the energy.
Also, don't forget to stop by our homecoming dance this Saturday at 7 o'clock to end the week with some fun. I know they're doing some giveaway that like the first 30 people there or something get some special prize. So you be one of those people. Get out, cheer on your teams, and be supportive. Let's go. I'm Charlotte Constantine.
And I'm Mikey Deterando. Welcome back to Huddle on the Hilltop.